In this video, we will go through the replacement of an AC networked controller in HID's ACW2-XN. If there are ACW2 Wigan door modules on both sides of the controller, you will need to remove the Wigan door module on one side of the controller in order to remove the controller. The procedure is the same for the removal of each Wigan door module. Before we begin, please make sure the power cable is unplugged. Disconnect all the wiring to the AC networked controller. Using a flat screwdriver, remove the 4 screws holding the networked controller in place. In the new networked controller box, you will find a Ziploc bag containing spare screws and a label. Place the label on the back of the ACW2-XN quick guide in the location where the new networked controller will be fitted. Orient the networked controller next to the Wigan door module so that the Ethernet connector is closest to the side wall of the box. Ensure the backplane connector lines up with the Wigan door module. Slide the networked controller towards the Wigan door module so that the 2 backplane connectors mate. Insert the 4 mounting screws. Once the new networked controller is mounted, reconnect all the wiring and remove the battery tag. If you had to remove any Wigan door modules to replace the networked controller, refit them. Now that the networked controller is in place, do one final check on the wiring and ensure that the dip switches are set correctly. If everything is okay, plug in the power cable. Switch on the ACW2-XN. Refer to the connectivity video for details on how to connect to the new networked controller.